Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be packing with you guys for my honeymoon. We're heading to Europe soon and visiting a few different places, including Santorini, Amalfi Coast, Paris, and some other parts of France. So I thought it might just be fun to talk through my process of packing and deciding what to pack, how I pair my outfits, and also I'm gonna take some designer bags with me. Also, apparently it's been so common to lose your checked-in baggage and it can take days for you to get your luggage back. So I'm going to try and pack a few outfits into my carry-on as well. So if anything happens to the big checked-in luggage, which fingers crossed won't happen, I just want to be able to survive the first part of the trip at the least with whatever's in my carry-on luggage. So for luggage, I am gonna take these two bags for carry-on. So I've got my Forever Patch Daily Battle Tote in the hot sand color, which will be so lovely for some of the warmer places that we're visiting. This bag is already basically packed. So in my tote bag, I usually have all my admin stuff, my sunglasses, a little tripod holder for my vlogging camera. I've got a battery power bank and I've got a little pouch. I'm actually repurposing the Hermes swimsuit pouch because I got two of them. So one of them I'm taking my swimsuit in and the other one I'm using as a little internal pouch to keep all the things secure that I need to keep secure, and I keep it connected to the bag as well because it is an open tote. A few of you actually raised the concern you wouldn't travel with an open tote. I'm okay to travel with an open tote because it is really easy to use, and anything that I need to keep secure, I either have it in a closable pouch completely connected to the bag, or I usually have a separate small crossbody bag with all my valuables, and all the rest of it is really not a big deal. It's just some hand creams and sunglasses and things. And let's pack my little suitcase first because these are more or less the outfits that I'm gonna take with me on board, and they're gonna be worn in the first few days of my traveling. So I have all my luggages from the Samsonite. I can't remember what this model was called, but it is basically so light and just very simple. I just really like them because they're not too flashy. They just do the job, and being so lightweight, the bags themselves don't take up too much weight, so you can pack more into your bags. Anyway, let's get into the carry-on luggage. So I tilted the camera down a little so you can see what I'm packing. The first top I'm gonna be taking is my new Dior t-shirt that I bought from the kids department. So it was such a good deal. It was a fraction of the cost of the women's t-shirts. You guys know if you watch my Dior double unboxing video. And of course, I'm gonna bring some shorts. These are just some very classic denim shorts from a brand called A Gold. I'm not too sure how to say that. Anyway, it's just one of those classic denim shorts that will go with everything. So I'm also gonna take a couple of very plain t-shirts. This is one of my all-time favorite styles from Lululemon. It's meant to be like activewear, but they do pass as normal clothing pieces. Look how cute their front is. The great thing is if you need to wash on the go, they dry up so fast as well. So I'm gonna take a white one, and I'm also gonna take the black one in the same design. And then I haven't really shown you this Hermes cover up, but it is basically a beach cover up, which I folded so nicely, so I don't think I'm actually gonna open it just to save time, but I am sure I'll take some outfit photos with this. But it is a beach cover up that I got from the Hermes sale. I did actually go to the Hermes sale and I was gonna do a video about it, but I only ended up buying 2 pieces of ready to wear, so I didn't really film about it. It was just going to be a pretty boring video for most people. So I'm excited to be able to finally wear this beach cover up. I'm also going to take with me a Louis Vuitton shirt that my bestie let me borrow. I know, how generous is she? So this is an LV long sleeve shirt that she bought last year, mind you, and she never wore yet. So yes, I'm going to debut this baby. And initially I was gonna say, oh, I can't wear that before you do, but she said she's not gonna wear it anytime soon and she'll be so sad to just see it sit in the closet, and it'll make her really happy for me to wear this on my holiday. And I said to her, if anything happens to it, I'll just buy this off you. And then I've just got some very comfortable linen pants. I actually bought these from Jeju Island when I was in Korea. This is just really comfortable, pretty flattering, very neutral in color. It'll just go with both of my t-shirts that I'm taking with me. A great alternative to jeans for these sort of trans-seasonal months because, you know, sometimes jeans can feel a little heavy. And speaking of, I'm also taking using my favorite pair of skinny jeans. They're so comfortable because I've broken them in. Even though skinny jeans are not the most trending style of jeans, they just look the most flattering on me, so I still wear skinny jeans all the time. And then I'm gonna take with me my Lululemon windbreaker. It's just a lightweight jacket, again great for trans-seasonal months. And of course I'm gonna take my 2 swimsuits that I bought for this honeymoon, so my Louis Vuitton and my Hermes swimsuit in that beautiful orange colorway. And then I've just got all my toiletries, so I've got all the samples. I always save all the samples for when I'm traveling. And then I bought a little makeup wipe as well. It's just got the 7 wipes and a new toothbrush and some contact lenses. And then the only other things that I'm gonna take on my carry-on would be laptop in my carry-on for a Lepage tote bag and a few of my more expensive designer bags. So firstly, I am taking my Dior new pouch that I intend to use a little clutch bag. Actually guys, you know what? I'm gonna put the toiletries into the Dior pouch because it is technically a toiletry pouch and that'll save me space in my carry-on. So I'll put my samples, my contact lenses and my toothbrush. And hubby is bringing toothpaste, so I am not bringing a toothpaste. We can just share his. And then another bag that I'm taking with me would be my Hermes Magnolia Kelly. Oh my goodness, I just think it is the perfect fun holiday bag because of its beautiful fun pop of color. So that will be coming definitely in the carry-on luggage. I am not checking this baby in. I'm gonna be with it the whole time. And of course, all my outfits won't be complete without some sandals, so I'm going to bring my Hermes Santorini sandals with me in the carry-on as well. I'm just reorganizing as I'm going and filling the bag up. Still got a little bit of space, and then I'm gonna bring a couple of designer belts that I am likely going to wear. So my new LV belt in that tiny little monogram, and I'm also taking my Hermes tiny little 13mm belt. They're both reversible, so great for creating different looks. And the last outfit that I'm gonna pack in my carry-on luggage is this Sandro dress. You guys saw this a few months ago when I started shopping for this honeymoon way too early. It comes with a slip dress as well. And the great thing about this Sandro dress is that because it is a very relaxed crinkled material already, in my luggage if it gets crinkled more, I don't have to worry about ironing it or anything. I can just wear it as is. So this is the carry-on situation. All right, let's move on to the large check-in luggage now. I've got a couple of things there already. So I've got my actual toiletry bag that has the small bottle versions of all my products. I've got larger face wipes. I've got a Lululemon little carry bag in case I just want to stroll out with a very low-key bag, and some tissues and some painkillers and tablets in there. And I always take with me a foldable Longchamp tote in case I need an extra bag to carry some things back if I do some shopping. And I also got us waterproof phone cases in case we want to do water activities and have our phones on us. And my hair straightener will go in here as well. I've got all my underwear packed in here. I'm taking another little shirt that can work as a top or a beach cover up. It was just a very affordable one from Cotton On that I got about 3 years ago. I'm bringing with me one of my favorite t-shirts which says Paris, and this is from March, one of my all-time favorite brands as well. I just like having a few t-shirt options because they're just easy. I can just layer them up. I can wear a t-shirt, a cardigan, and then put like a jacket on top. And I'm also bringing with me these shorts that I got from Zara, very Balmain-esque, in case we decide to go out on a more fancy occasion. A little linen skirt from Country Road, my go-to comfortable skirt. I just love linen things. I am bringing some white pants, so white jeans and white long culottes for dressier evening occasions. And I'm bringing my Sandro two-piece. So I've got this top, which I absolutely love. I think I'm gonna wear this in Paris. And I'm also going to take the matching skirt. The great thing about this is that you can wear them separately or together and create a few different looks. Since I'm bringing my Magnolia Kelly bag, I'm bringing my skirt that's gonna go perfectly with the Magnolia bag. And I've packed in this garment bag thing just a few pajamas. Can't forget pajamas. And another very simple tee. This is from Evelyn, just a very easy basic cotton tee. And this is the other thing that I bought from the Hermes sale. So this is just a very basic silk cashmere long sleeve. So in case I just want one thing that's a little bit warmer. And as for the rest of the outfits, I'm gonna sort through these because I put this pile on one side of my wardrobe as possibly taking on my holiday with me a while ago. So let's sort this through together. First thing is this beautiful Camilla dress. Great for day to night. Great as a beach cover up as well. I just love all the details. This is an old season one. Since it is so lightweight, I'm definitely gonna take this. I do have to take my March navy dress. Again, perfect trans-seasonal dress thanks to its long sleeves. I'm not 100% decided on this dress because it is basically the same as the navy dress but a little bit brighter, and it's in the maxi length. So this is a maybe. This Zimmermann dress is so beautiful, but I'm not sure, it looks a little Christmassy, so that's also a maybe. This LV t-shirt, it's an easy option, let's take it. The more t-shirts again, the better. And then my Hermes silk dress. This again is very small and lightweight. Great dinner dress, so let's take it. This is a must take. It's another one of my favorite March dresses. This is great for day to evening as well. I can use this during the day with some sneakers as a very cute day outfit, and it also dresses up beautifully if I just put some heels with it. Oh, I'm definitely taking my new Zimmermann top, and actually, in fact, this might come in the hand luggage because there's still a little bit of space in my hand luggage because I might want to wear this straight away. Next up, I've got some shorts. These are cute Zimmermann shorts. This is a beautiful pleated skirt that I think I'm gonna maybe wear in the first part of the holiday. This might also have to come in the hand luggage with me. I have a feeling I'm not gonna be able to take all the outfits that I want to take on board with me in my luggage. I might have to squeeze some in hubby's bag, so I don't think he needs all the space, so I'm gonna put some aside that I'm gonna squeeze into his carry-on luggage. And this LV shirt is just another easy option. Dresses up, dresses down, might go into hubby's carry-on again. You guys remember this little beach dress that I got from Petite H? I got it exactly for this kind of a holiday. Bringing with me my Shona Joy dress, another great trans-seasonal dress. Long sleeve, warm enough, but very lightweight. Of course, I'm taking with me my Zimmermann dress that I bought a couple of months ago for this holiday. This will be so great on the Amalfi Coast. And this is an old Zimmermann play suit that I've worn time and time again, but I just thought this will just look so great in Positano, so I'm going to bring this with me. This jumpsuit is another very easy piece to wear, and a dressy dress that I got from Zimmermann on sale. And then I'm going to bring another two more autumnal pieces. So this tan brown maxi skirt and a little blazer in that beautiful, what color would you call this? But this basically goes with most of the color scheme I have in there, so it'll be a nice throw-on piece if I need an extra layer to keep warm. And we also got ourselves little air tags because it's just been so common for these luggages to go missing. So I've got one in my bag and one in hubby's bag as well. Hopefully that will let us track our bags. So these are basically all the outfits that I'll be taking. Maybe I will add some more things last minute. All right, now time to choose the bags and the shoes. So obviously I'm taking my Magnolia Kelly and my Dior pouch, but I'm also going to take my Mini Kelly, the black one. As I've mentioned time and time again, this is such a travel friendly bag. And then I decided most of my outfits are sort of in that warm tone or denim, so most of them will actually go with the tan brown. So I'm going to take my Ruly. I was tossing up between this and the Loewe puzzle bag, but I decided I'm going to take the Ruly because this will dress up a little bit better. The puzzle bag is a lot more casual, so even though the puzzle bag used to be my go-to travel bag, I think now this will be because it's just got that little bit of extra versatility. It'll also match my Santorini sandals. And the other bag that I'm going to bring is my Bottega mini pouch. This is just a really easy bag, understated, doesn't have any logos, and it perfectly matches my new Louis Vuitton belt. In terms of shoes, I'm bringing quite a few pairs of slippers because I know I'm going to wear them in Santorini. So I'm obviously going to bring my jelly sandals that I can get water on. This will come in the hand luggage because I want to wear them straight away. And I'm gonna bring my white pair of Oran sandals to walk around in. And I just want dressy options, but ones that I'll still be able to walk comfortably on the cobbly roads and the steps of Positano and Santorini. So I'm gonna bring 2 of my legend sandals because I know the heels are not those stiletto heels that are going to make them feel slippery or anything. And I think between a black pair and a gold pair, it'll go with everything in there and with all my bags as well. And for Paris, you just have to bring a pair of Chanel. So I'm gonna bring my Chanel slingbacks, and these will be probably my Paris more dressy shoes. And I don't think I'm gonna bring any sort of stiletto heels like these ones. Or I actually thought about bringing my Jimmy Choo gold because the gold is like a neutral with dressy outfits. So I'm still thinking on that. That is in the maybe pile, but I don't know if I'll be able to walk in these on those European cobbly roads. Maybe Paris will be okay, so I'm thinking about this. And then I am going to wear my Nike sneakers, just very clean white ones. I'm actually going to wear them to the airport on the plane, and they're going to be my sightseeing walking around shoes. And I think that's basically all the occasions that I have in mind covered. Oh, I nearly forgot about this bag. I'm definitely taking my Fendi basket bag, which a lot of you guys hate because you think it looks cheap, but I think it actually looks really fun. So I'm gonna bring that with me as my little beach bag. And I am bringing my old swimmers in there. So these are just some sea folly ones. The color works well for me and it's just plain. And I just want a more low-key swimsuit apart from my LV and Hermes ones as well. And now I'm gonna try and play Tetris and fit everything into these bags. So everything's packed now. Thank you so much for keeping me company while I went through this crazy packing. I'll try my very best to vlog and share my days with you when I'm over there. So stay tuned for that, hopefully. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today. And I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys.